So let her build an altar like Abraham of old. Don't put me on the funeral pyre. There's so much more that I desire. I've got a different kind of fire. I won't be bought and sold. I will not be controlled. Life was made for dancing under a moonlit starry sky. If other girls go dancing, then someone tell me why can't
We are on a journey,
he will be my journey,
and everywhere we roam,
we're
lost without a penny,
I'm
lost
lost,
with tempest
I'm tossed,
until he takes us home. But won't you bow with me
from this moment on,
now on bended knee,
till my life is gone,
and we will be wondrously, endlessly, breathlessly, finally home. He will be my home. He will be my home.
Do what a girl's gotta do in a town when she's down on her luck. And the best way to earn enough money to burn is for that girl to learn how to. Oh, hell! Each day is different, each guy is unique.
The job takes a lot of technique,
so to speak. So we use all our assets, our looks, our allure. Say thanks for coming and show 'em the door. All right now, if the always professor, bump and ride, help you unwind. No hassle or strife, the time of your life, and best of all, sister, we don't tell no lie.
Did you bring that dream here with you today?
I warn you this day, do not be deceived by this Satan in satin.
Well, who do you think planted that dream in your heart?
Fortify yourselves, take on the full armor of God.
And he wants that dream to come true.
Or as heaven is my witness, Amy Semple McPherson will lead you straight to hell.
Why you chose a woman is a mystery to me. But a woman who behaves never writes history. This is what I was born for here on the precipice. This is what I will die for. Destiny moving us from the abyss. Help me break the rules if I must. Help me heal them, help me to trust this. Some say life is but a whisper. Life is but a mist. In the end, it doesn't matter what we do. But there must be a reason. I'm here. I still exist. Some explanation that cannot be dismissed. For I ache, and I feel, and I touch, and I heal, and it's real. It's what I'm still here to do.